Yo, what's going on guys, it's Shivam here, and in this video we are talking about this guy, which is QCY T3. So first we will unbox it and then we will discuss everything you need to know about these earphones before picking one up. So hey, you are back after watching that boring intro. Don't worry, I'm working on it and some more new projects coming up that you will get to know soon. But anyways, our today's attraction is this, which is QCY T3, a truly wireless earphones. At first glance, I know what you are thinking, Apple AirPods, right? I know they look somewhat like Apple AirPods, and nowadays every truly wireless earphones sort of look like that. You have this typical rechargeable case where you have the two earbuds resting in peace, and you take out your earphones whenever you want to listen to your jam, and as you take them out they turn on automatically. Then just pair it to your smartphone and bam, dive straight into your playlist. That's typically how a truly wireless earphones are designed to work, but there are a few things that you need to consider before picking up the QCY T3, so we will discuss that in a minute. But before that, let's just do a quick unboxing of these earphones and then we will talk about that. So for the unboxing, here is the parcel in which the QCY T3 is. So without wasting any time, let me quickly open this up. So here is the retail box of the QCY T3, and as you can see it says QCY T3 truly wireless Bluetooth earphones, and here is the image of the earphones itself. And moving further, on the back we have the security code which you can scratch if this is an original product, and along with that we also have some features of these earphones, like we have the model number QCY T3, charging time is approximately 2 hours, music time is approx 5 to 6 hours, standby time of 150 hours, input of 5 volts 500 milliampere, and Bluetooth profiles of HFP, HSP, A2DP and AVRCP. So that's pretty much it for the readings of the box, and now let's just quickly unbox this. So here are the earphones itself. Let's take them out. Let's put this aside for a second. So along with that we have a tiny micro USB cable to charge the earphones, the case itself, and we also have some user manuals to get started. But we don't need this, I guess. So here are the earphones itself. Let's move this. So first impression is they are pretty premium looking, very Apple looking thing, but you are paying way less than the Apple AirPods. But that's pretty much it for the unboxing, and now let's move to the review of the QCY T3. So first of all in the list is the design and build quality. From the case to the earbuds, everything is made out of plastic, and by no means I'm saying a good one. Obviously the little inferior, the cheaper one, which will only last if you take good care of it, especially the lid, which is very fragile. It's thin and it can break if you stress it enough. Having said that, the case is very small and portable and you can easily fit that into your pocket. The case has two LED indicators on the front for charging and battery indication, although this could be improved if they provided 3 or 4 indicators. Another thing, on the case we have a micro USB port on the charging. I would love to see a USB Type-C port, but this is all what we get on these T3s. So inside the case there are 2 earbuds which automatically turns on when you take them out and turns off automatically when you put them back, and you can also turn them off manually by holding the stems for 8 seconds. In terms of design, they are Apple AirPods with silicone ear tips, you can put it that way, but not one of those traditional ear tips. These are something a little low profile ear tips. Instead of protruding out of the earbuds, they are very low profile, which is good and evil in both ways. The good thing is that it makes less room required in the case for the earbuds to house them, and also makes them less bulge out of the ears when wearing them. But the issue arises here is that the earphones do not create a proper seal in the ears and also fall out of the ears from time to time. The earphones have a good sound, but because of this poor seal, you will have some hard time finding the bass in your songs. We will discuss sound quality in a minute, but if you want to fix all these issues, all you have to do is just replace the ear tips to a regular one, and that will solve all the problems problems that these earphones have. But there is a caveat with this solution. Whenever you're trying to put the earbuds back into the case, there is not enough room, so you need to remove these earbuds and put it without them. Or maybe you can drill some room in the case to house them. I don't know. Now talking about the build quality, the earphones are decent build earphones. I would say they will work for years if you take good care of them, but if you dropped it once on the hard floor, I think it will shatter into pieces. So always try to handle them with care. Moving on, we have a lot of essential features on this device. First of all is the pairing issue. No. First one is the Bluetooth 5.0. Pairing issue will come later. So this has Bluetooth 5.0, and which means that all the goodness of Bluetooth 5 will come along with it. That is good range, good audio quality, less lag, etc. But unfortunately we don't have multiple device connectivity, so you cannot connect multiple devices at once to these earphones. Next we have touch control. So on the T3s you can tap or swipe on the stems to input multiple commands, like double tap to take calls and play post tracks, triple tap for the voice assistant, swipe up or down for volume, and hold down for 2 seconds to skip tracks. You will also be glad to know that these earphones have IPX5 water rating, so these can bear some splashes and sweat. Another thing we have is impressive battery life. The case has a battery of 600 mAh and the earbuds has 60 mAh of capacity. On one single charge, the earbuds can give you around 5 to 6 hours of playtime, and then you can put the earphones back into the case and you will get again some few hours of playtime. The case can fill earbuds up to 4 times, so in total if you charge the case once, you will get around 20 to 24 hours of battery backup, which is awesome. And you know what else is awesome? Audible. Audible is the biggest audiobook store on the planet. You can listen to millions of audiobooks, and guess what? Now they also offer Audible Originals, where you will find exclusive audiobooks from great storytellers from around the world, and these are only available at Audible. So sign up for your 30 days free trial and get 3 titles to begin with, and you can cancel anytime. Also, Audible is sponsoring this video, so if you sign up for free trial from the links in the description, I will get a little commission from them, and this will cost nothing to you. You can cancel anytime. This way it shows your support to the channel. Thank you. Alright, back to the video. One more feature there is on the T3 is that you can also use these earbuds as a single unit. So instead of pulling out both of these earphones from the case, what you can do is take out one of them and then connect it to your device to that earbud only. So if you have to take a call or want to listen to music and also want to be aware of your surroundings, then you can use these earbuds as a single unit. But there is one problem that I faced with these earphones, which was pairing issue. Basically what should happen is when you take out both of these earphones, they will connect to each other and then you can connect it to your smartphone. But sometimes they fail to connect to each other and they appear separately into your smartphone. But there is a fix to it. Whenever this happens to you, you just need to take out the earbuds, hold the stems for 8 seconds, which will turn off both of these earbuds, then release and hold back again for 20 seconds. It will reset to default settings. Then you can put the earbuds back into the case and take them out, and the problem should be solved. So you don't have to face this problem every day, but sometimes, like in 3 to 4 weeks, you might face this problem. But other than that, we also have an inline mic which you can use to take calls and use Google Assistant or Siri, and this is the sound quality of that. Now here comes the crucial part of any audio device, whether it is headphones, earphones, speakers, which is the audio quality. So for the audio quality of these earphones itself, they are pretty awesome sounding earphones. It produces excellent frequency response from lows to highs. Everything is clear, but the catch here is that these will only shine if you're listening to them in quiet environment. But if you try to listen to them on a bus or a train or anywhere else, you will totally hate these earphones. Don't think that this is happening because it has bad drivers, but the sole reason behind this is the ear tips. The silicone ear tips that comes with these earphones do not create a proper seal, and thus we have a very poor sound quality. But there is only one step that will change the whole world around the sound quality of these earphones, which is changing the ear tips to a regular one. So what I did was I changed these hideous ear tips to a regular one, and everything was perfect from there. The sound was so much better, bass was extremely rich, and the isolation was by far the best. So I always carry some extra ear tips when I'm traveling with these earphones, because when you change the ear tips you cannot put them back into the case. But now there is only one thing left in this review to talk about, which is the price of these. earbuds. So for the price, the earphones are priced at $32 on AliExpress and $40 on Amazon.com and around 3,000 rupees on Amazon.in, which is roughly $44. So by far the cheapest option would be going with AliExpress, where you will get this for $32, which is around 2,200 rupees, something like that. But all the links to buy these earphones are in the description below, so you can check that out. But for the price, they are decent earphones, but for all the hassle and everything that you have to deal with these earphones, I do not recommend these earphones as a truly wireless earphones. But instead, let me find some new, better truly wireless earphones. And what you can do till then is subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. And actually the subscription to the channel is totally free and Audible too, so make sure you go through all the links in the description. But that's been it guys, that was today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.